Good morning, from Budik. My name is Muhammad Samin Hakim bin Suhaim.
My name is Ahmad Manazim Rusnan. My name is Muhammad bin Suhaimi.
So today we want to learn how to use test pen and meter. So let's go.
Jamil, how do you want to know if there is current in this plug? What tools can we use?
I also don't know. I think we can ask electrician senior.
Alright guys, today we are going to learn how to properly use a test pen and clamp meter. Before we start, who can tell me what a test pen is for?
I think I can answer the question. We use a test pen to check whether something has electrical current or not, right? But how do we make sure we are using it safely?
If I am not mistaken, we need to hold only the plastic part and not touch the metal part. Is that correct?
That's right, Amma. When you're using a test pen, make sure your hands are dry. Hold the only plastic part, then touch the tip of the test pen to the object you're testing. If there is electrical current, the light on the test pen will turn on.
Oh, so if the light doesn't turn on, it means there's no electrical current.
But wait, what if the current is too low? Can the test pen detect that?
That's a good question. Actually, some of the test pen can only detect current at the accurate voltage level. So for a more accurate measure, we can use a multimeter or this clamp meter. Hey, do you know how to check the current flow using a test pen?
Maybe we could use the test pen at different points in a circuit and compare the result. Is that the right way?
Or maybe we can check the direction by looking at the live and neutral wire in the system.
Smart, that's correct. We can use a test pen at multiple points in the circuit to estimate the direction of current flow. We can also refer to the wire connection. Okay, now let's move on to the clamp meter. What the main function of clamp meter?
I know, a clamp is used to measure electrical current without having to directly touch the wire.
But it's not just for measuring current, right? I think it can measure voltage and resistance too.
Absolute right. A clamp meter can measure ampere for the current, volt for voltage, and ohm for the resistance. Oh, and what the difference between the DC and AC range on a clamp meter?
As far as I know, the DC range is used for measuring direct current, while the AC range is for alternating current.
Yes, that's right. DC flow in only one direction, like in a battery, while AC constantly change direction, like the electricity in our home.
Spot on. Now, one last question. Why is safety important for an electrician when work?
Because working with electricity can be dangerous. If we don't follow safety procedures, we might get electrocuted.
Not only that, but short circuit can cause fire or damage equipment.
Exactly right. That's why we must always follow safety procedure. Wear protective gear and use the proper tool. Okay, that's all for today's season. Well done, everyone.